Welcome to Scrively. You've just ordered a simple tool to help unleash your creativity. Together, you and Scrively can create beautifully illustrated stories in a matter of minutes. But first, you'll need to download the software. Head over to the Scrively members area at scrively.com/members and download either the Windows or the Mac version for your computer. If you need any help, our customer experience team is readily accessible. Reach out to us through email at support@scrively.com. Submit a ticket through our support portal at support.scrively.com. Or chat with us using live chat. Ready to explore Scrively? Let me take you on a quick tour. When you first launch Scrively, you're prompted to start your story with a single idea, which I'll do in just a moment. Down here, all of your books will appear. And then down here, you can browse your templates. So we can browse by all templates, or we could choose a specific genre: fantasy, romance, history, horror, travel, sci-fi, adventure, science and technology, sports, miscellaneous. And of course, if you've marked any as favorites by clicking the little heart button, you can look at your favorites. Okay, let's start a story real quick. Click Create Story. All right, now the AI is going to give us some suggested book titles. These all look fine, but if we wanted to keep trying, you just hit the regenerate button. Let's just take this one. Click Choose Template. And remember those templates we were looking at earlier? They're all right here as well. Let's take one of my favorites. Book dimensions. You can choose from several different options. We'll do US trade. Illustration style, select a digital painting. And again, we have a variety of styles that you can choose from. Let's choose isometric. Now let's add our characters. It's already given me a description and I like that just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and generate the character image. Here we have three options. First, generate image, which is allowing Scrively to just create it based on our prompt. Or we can upload an image of our own and then have that as inspiration for Scrively. Or we can upload an image and that is the image we want to use. I'm going to have Scrively generate an image for me. That's fine, I'll take it. All right, next you're going to add details to your story. So what genre do you want it to be? We'll say adventure. What writing style, writing level. I'd say probably 6 to 8 years old would like this. When you click location, you get some default ones if you want to use those, or you could type your own, which is going to be Paris, France. Add the era, probably post-war era. Let's write the book. And here's our story that Scrively's written for us. Now, you can edit it at this point, or if you like it just fine, move on to the design. Editing options include selecting the text and choosing either rewrite, grammar correction, change the point of view, change the writing style, or simplify. Those are your automatic ones. Of course, you could regenerate, have Scrively start completely over, or you could use the AI assistant here and tell it exactly what you'd like. And then any other changes that you want to make, you can do directly in the text or with the AI assistant. Let's continue on to design. And here's where you can generate the illustrations for your book. Start with the cover and click Generate. Let's describe the ideas and click Generate. And here it is. That looks cute. So we're going to click Done. And we now have a book cover. If you'd like to do some editing to the text, you just click in and begin. So I'm just going to say that. And let's change the font. I like that fine. Save. Here are each of our pages based on the template that we selected earlier. These are fine, but they're missing the image. So what do? Well, let's go to Generate All Images. And Scrively will take care of that for us. This does take some time, so plan on going for a walk or having a cup of coffee while Scrively works its magic. Scrively's created all of our images for us, as you can see over here. Everything looks great, If you want to make some changes, you certainly can. So let's just say we wanted to add some spacing here or change some words. We could certainly do that. And then once you've made all of your edits, let's go down to the back cover. By default, it already has my name as the author, but what if we wanted a little book blurb? Go up here, click back cover description, and we're going to generate it. And if we wanted, we could change the color, font size, font. All right, let's continue to publish. Make sure you're happy with the book title and everything. I'm going to choose 300 dpi. Click export, export book. And I've opened my book in Adobe, and here it is. It looks great. So now that you have Scrively, imagine making your child the hero of a story, or bringing one of their drawings to life as inspiration for a story. Maybe you have an idea for a book, but you don't know where to start, or you want to co-write with Scrively. Be sure to check out the videos in our training center for specific ways that you can use Scrively.